There are some tricks to doing integrals. One trick is to look them up in a table of integrals. Another is to learn to use Mathematica. But if you are on your own and you don't recognize the integral, the oldest trick in the book is integration by parts. It is just the reverse of using the product rule for differentiation. Recall from the lesson before that to differentiate a function, which itself is a product of two functions, you use the following rule. So the derivative of fx multiplied by gx equal to fx dgx plus gx dfx. Now let's integrate both sides of this equation between limits a and b. The left side of the equation is easy. The integral of a derivative, the derivative of f times g, is just the function itself. The left side is which we often write in the form of Now let's subtract one of the two integrals on the right side and shift it to the left side. So we have suppose we have some integral that we don't recognize, but we notice that the integrand happens to be a product of a function fx and the derivative of another function gx. In other words, after some inspection, we see that the integral has the form of the right side of this equation, but we don't know how to do it. Sometimes we are lucky and recognize the integral on the left side of the equation. Let's do an example. Suppose the integral that we want to do is like this. That's not in our list of integrals, but notice that cos x equals x. So the integral is x This equation tells us that this integral is equal to or just now it's easy. The integral this one sin x dx is on our list. It just cos x. Sorry. Okay. You might wonder how often this trick works. The answer is quite often, but certainly not always.